If we want to take our expression from expanded form to factored form, we need to find our common factor and pull it to outside of the parentheses. So for here, for example, we have 4c plus 4d. Well, we can see that our common factor is going to be 4. So that's the value we're going to pull to go outside our parentheses. Then the rest of our expression inside the parentheses is going to be our c plus d. Same thing here. We have 5n minus 3n. We can see that n is our common factor. So n is our value that we're going to pull to outside our parentheses. Then the rest of our expression, our 5 minus 3, is going to go inside our parentheses to make our factored form. If we have an expression such as 15 plus 12, we can still write it in factored form. The first thing we're going to have to do is find the greatest common factor of 15 and 12. Factor pairs of 15 include 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. Factor pairs of 12 include 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. From there, we can find their greatest common factor. They have 3 as their greatest common factor, so now we can rewrite that as using the factor pairs. So instead of 15, we're going to have 3 times 5, and instead of 12, we're going to have 3 times 4. Now we can see where our common factor is that we're going to have to pull to go outside the parentheses. 3 is our common factor, so we're going to factor it to outside the parentheses, and the rest of our expression, our 5 plus 4, is going to go inside the parentheses. Even if our expanded form has a variable, we can still rewrite it in factored form. We're going to start by finding the greatest common factor of 18 and 12. Factor pairs of 18 include 1 by 18, 2 by 9, and 3 by 6. Factor pairs of 12 include 1 by 12, 2 by 6, and 3 by 4. Now we need to find their greatest common factor. The greatest common factor of 18 and 12 is 6. So we're going to rewrite our expression using those values. So 18 is going to become 3 times 6, and our a is still going to travel along, and 12 is going to become 2 times 6. Now that we have it written this way, we can see that 6 is our common factor that we're going to pull to go outside the parentheses. So 6 goes outside the parentheses, and the rest of our expression is going to go inside. So 3, a is going to come along, minus 2. Check out the other videos in our playlist, and don't forget to click on subscribe. Thanks for watching!